The Air Jordan 1 High OG David Letterman is one of the most iconic and unexpected stories in Jordan brand history. Dropping in 2016, it celebrates Michael Jordan's legendary 1986 interview on Late Night with David Letterman after his historic 63-point playoff game. During that interview, both Jordan and Letterman jokingly called the Air Jordan 1 ugly, a moment that instantly became part of sneaker lore. This colorway takes inspiration from Jordan's bright orange tracksuit on the show, balanced with deep navy accents for a bold, era-defining look. Classic AJ1 details are intact, featuring the Nike Air logo on the tongue and a clean heel without the Jumpman, while the on-air insole quietly nods to the interview. Unlike the Chicago or Bred editions, this pair focuses more on storytelling than nostalgia. Even years later, the David Letterman AJ1 remains a standout piece for collectors, with resale platforms like StockX being the top spot to hunt for one.